FPOS Group has a great way to reduce time and errors when ringing in orders. Future POS does it like none other with their multi-column modifiers. First, let's see how the others do it. Dwayne's going to ring in a boring burger. He'll put in the temperature, put in that he doesn't want no mayo or ketchup, wants to add Swiss cheese, and get it cut in half and toasted. Now let's look at how quick it is for Future to ring in an item. Now I'm going to ring in the Dean burger. Everything pops up on one screen, so I'm easily able to ring in exactly what I want. By using multi-column modifiers, your staff will not only save time, but also reduce errors. This will lead to less comps and better customer experience. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to find out other ways that FPOS Group can save you time and puts money back in your pocket.